Today, I'd like to teach you how to find the molar mass of calcium sulfite. And to do that, let's use this table to help us out. Bam! So the first thing is I'm going to write down the elements in the compound. So we have calcium, Ca, we have sulfur, S, and we have oxygen, O. The next thing is to write down the number of atoms of each, and that's where the subscripts come into play. So the subscript of calcium is a 1, right? Even if there's nothing there, that does not mean it's a 0. It is a 1, all right? Same thing for sulfur. The subscript of sulfur is a 1 as well, and then the subscript for oxygen is a 3, so we have 3 oxygens. Then you're going to take those number of atoms now, and you're going to multiply it by then the mass of each particular element. So where we're going to find these masses of calcium, sulfur, and oxygen? You got it. Periodic table. Let's take a look. Here's calcium, 40.08. Oxygen is 16. Sulfur is about 32.07. So let's write them in. So calcium is 40.08. Sulfur was 32.07. And oxygen here was 16. Then to find the total mass of each element in the compound here, we're going to take the mass of that element and multiply it by the number of atoms of that particular element. So the total mass of calcium here is 40.08. That's easy. Total mass of sulfur is going to be 32.07. Total mass of oxygen then is 16 times 3. So now that works out to be 48. And then all we're simply going to do is just add them together now to find now the total mass of the entire compound. So when we do that, it works out to be about 120.15. And since we're solving for molar mass, the units here are in terms of grams per mole. Guys, thanks so very much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please help us out by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.